Hey, how's it going? Recently, I had the opportunity to talk to one of our engineering specialists, Mark. Let's see what he's got to say. Motsky is actively working in the asset management space. What are the current challenges with the asset management and what are the opportunities?
The biggest challenge is defining the requirements. So what is your asset management system trying to achieve? Is it trying to be the holistic book of truth for your assets, or is it simply to be that hierarchical thing where you're capturing there is a drainage system there so you can program maintenance based on a drainage system, or is it you want to know where each individual component is, size, quantity, make, model, and the like, and get down to that level. So that requires a lot more detail and time and thought put into that process so you're capturing accurate and transparent data. But if it's just at that higher level, it's developing the asset management framework for that higher level to flag to the organization that there is a drainage system there and you're not too worried about the quantities. It's go and maintain the drains and be done with it. Or is it, no, you want to record every work order against each drain that's blocked potentially in that yard or siding or station.
So how do your skills support the opportunities?
Well, the opportunities is digitizing that knowledge that's previously kept into people's minds, local C drive, or just general local knowledge by people understanding the network and bringing that into a digitized database and environment that enables digital and computerized routines and automations to be programmed based on the data captured and location and the like. So that's the current thing particularly in asset management, is having that structure in a database so you can use programmable language to fire off actions or reports for that item you're trying to achieve.
Will there ever be big data in rail asset management?
Well, define big data. This is the whole problem with big data. It's big data, but what is big data? Is it, getting a telemetry feed off the rail rolling stock to tell you every bump on the track? Or that could be big data, but that's not really big data. That's just a lot of data that you need to use a processing tool to process that into time windows. So big data, yeah, it's a buzzword, but at the end of the day, it's capturing data from the assets that can be used to make programmable decisions. Do I want to know all my concrete pipes that are within 2 kilometers of the sea because they have a lower life expectancy because of corrosion and eating of the reinforcement from the salt? Or is it, I want to know my assets are in a tropical cyclone area because I know that I might need to replace them more often because they could get wiped out from a tropical cyclone. So that's the data, but that comes back to you don't actually need to collect that data because you can use overlays of geospatial data to intersect those assets in those regions. So yeah, answer the question about big data, it's big in terms of potentially capturing a lot more data, but is it really that big?
Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed. If you'd like to find out more information, please contact one of our friendly team or you can view our website at motsky.com.